Hey everyone, what is up? It is Kylie. So today I'm here with
McKenna,
and I feel like I don't show you guys my friends enough, so I was like, I'm gonna have McKenna in a video today. Today we're gonna be making this. So this is sushi, and I literally made this like 3 times, but it's fine. And I figured like maybe we could like answer some questions and stuff. So we're just gonna get right on into the video. So it says first. Oh, you need to open it first.
it looks like a table. Am I supposed to get the plastic?
No. It says first make some rice. So we're first going to make the rice, and it says wash your hands and prepare a glass of water. We already washed our hands, use sanitary. And you didn't drink this, right? No, okay. This is what's inside. Why is it hot? It's so hot. You have a blue packet, orange packet, green packet, pink packet. I think this is like the seaweed stuff. Orange packet. Brown packet. This mixer thing. Water droplet, and then the tray. Figured we can answer some questions. I mean, I didn't get questions from you guys because I'd probably fill like the one right there. Because I probably wouldn't get any questions. I'm just gonna look up some random questions. What's one thing you can't leave your house without?
My phone.
Okay, probably mine would be my phone or gum. Okay, next question. What is your favorite brand of makeup?
You answer that first.
I'm gonna say probably Anastasia, yeah, or Glossier.
I like CoverGirl.
What is your favorite flower?
I like tulips. Or roses.
Probably sunflower. I'll just do one more question. What is your favorite store for clothing?
Brandy Melville or Kylie's.
I'm probably Brandy Melville or probably Brandy Melville. Now we're gonna make the omelet. So now we're gonna use the yellow packet. I mean mixed bread, then fine. I think I may have put too much.
Too much water?
Mm-hmm. Smells like pineapple kind of. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna leave that for 3 minutes. Okay. It's
fast forward. Do you do that?
No, we're just gonna answer some questions. Okay, more questions. What is your favorite perfume?
I don't wear perfume.
Probably Bath and Body Works Rose Quartz.
Oh yeah.
Or Chloe perfume. They're playing Fortnite. Anything that smells like roses. What is your favorite color?
Seafoam blue or white?
Mine's just blue. Do you like swimming?
Yeah.
Same. Do you eat your fries with a fork?
What?
No.
I'm sorry if y'all offended out there if you eat your fries with a fork, but that's just weird.
Do you have like any phobias?
Clowns.
I hate birds and like insects. And do you put makeup on every day?
Yes.
Same. Well, mostly every day. Do you like coffee?
No. Why? Maybe in the future I will. Actually, I like iced coffee.
I don't.
Yeah.
How many selfies do you capture on an everyday basis? At least one. Probably more than
I take like twice a week, 2 times a week, or not even. Like once a week.
Wait, it's in something. Comment what other videos that we should do for like summer and stuff, because we'll do some more videos.
Oh, I need to turn it.
I don't know what's to hear that.
Selfie.
Now we're making the tuna. So it says the pink packet. We're both do you like fish actually?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
I'm probably, I don't know if I kind of want to.
I'm trying to get her to do it with me, right?
Yeah, because I don't really like meat that much. Like, I don't really like meat, so.
Can I mix it?
No, I literally just said I'm doing it.
Chill, girl, chill. I've been a vegetarian for 3 years.
I had Chipotle for the first time in 2 years today, so now we gotta let that sit for 3 minutes. Oh, let me ask some more questions. I'm sorry this video is so long. Like, I'm taller than her, so like, I'm taller than her in real life.
Obviously not.
I'm actually, how tall are you?
5'5".
Oh, well, I'm an inch taller. I'm 5'6". Do you share your foods with others?
Well, yeah.
What? Well, actually, when people ask me for food, I get so pissed. Like, I get so hungry, like, all the time. And I'm a germ freak.
You reject me so hard. Well, sometimes
like,
you give me your...
They're like, can I have food? I'm like...
No, sometimes you give me your raisins, or what are those things?
Oh, I give her cranberries. He's like, heck nah.
Like...
Do you share your clothes with others? Do you like fast food?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like so good. I love Taco Bell. Do you like to go to the beach? No, I actually hate the beach. Like, it's cold and like it's just bad.
I love the beach.
Do you like to eat chocolate? No, fun fact, I don't like chocolate. Like, I really don't. Do you clean your room every day? You should see my room right now. What's the most embarrassing moment in your life?
Oh, no, tell them yours.
Okay, my most embarrassing is I went to BJ's, like this restaurant.
With me.
Yeah, and I was wearing soccer cleats because it was after soccer game because I didn't bring like slides. And I crapped so hard 2 times. And my plate, I was holding a plate and it like fell out of my hand.
And the waiter was like, man down.
And the whole restaurant looked at me and I was like, twice.
And she grabbed on my shoulder and it hurt so bad.
No, but like the plate cracked and I had like ranch on my plate, like a little bowl of ranch, and it was like went flying. Okay, say yours. 6th grade, told ping pong table.
I don't know if that's the most embarrassing. Actually, it probably is. In 6th grade, my first dance. So this is 6th grade is the first year of middle school. Our first dance that we had. I went and I was playing ping pong with her.
Just with some of our friends.
The ball got stuck on the table. The ball got stuck on the table, and I jumped on the I leaned over, and then the ping pong table was like this. It went in, and I collapsed inside of the ping pong table, and like the music stopped for like 5 seconds.
Okay, now we're gonna make this seaweed. So there's like this little seaweed packet thing, and yeah, we're supposed to spread it out to that. Okay. We went to Brandy Melville today and I got this super cute backpack. It was like hecka cute. And a shirt. I'm gonna go out. That shirt that she's wearing. I'm gonna start on the next thing while she tries to make that seaweed look like not bad. Okay. Now it says make the salmon roe. This is the cool part, you know, like if you've ever watched those videos before where you drop it in and then it turns into like those balls, you know?
No, I don't.
I'm sorry if you're actually watching this video.
Oh my god.
The green one into A. Well, use dropper to slowly add mixture B to mixture A. Okay.
Well, I can't see it, so.
Oh, shut up. What is your favorite animal?
A horse.
Or dog? What's your dream car?
A Jeep. A CJ Jeep. CJ5 Jeep. Oh, shit.
What is that? Okay, mine's a Range Rover. I don't know. Do you cry when you watch a sad movie?
I've only cried in one movie, and that was The Maze Runner Death Cure.
She's obsessed with Dylan O'Brien. It's like, no, never. I would never cry at anything. No. What is your nickname?
Little M.
Yeah. I'd probably like Kai. Kai Dog. Simply Kai. Just kidding.
No one calls you
I know, but it's Kai, so it's fine. My real name's Kylie.
that. They know.
No, sometimes I get some comments that are like, hey Kai. Do you play any sports? Yeah, we both play soccer. So, now it's actually time to make the sushi. So it says, we have to like form a rice ball, and then we just cut the, then we cut the tuna and the omelet in half. And then we
Wait, what's supposed to be the tuna?
Like 5. You make 2 of these, 2 of these, and then 1 of those. It just smells like so sweet. I'm like, nah. You guys like never see life videos from me, so I was like, hey, film the video with McKenna. She's over, so.
Yeah. Okay. Now I need my fish eggs. I need my fish eggs, dude.
I know. This one actually looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna add some fish eggs to them.
Can I eat it now?
Yeah.
I'm actually.
Here is the finishing.
Oh.
Okay, she's just gonna eat it.
You have to eat it. You have to
Wait,
eat
we
one.
have soy sauce. But soy sauce.
Are you guys ready for this?
Just
Should I put
see.
it? Water.
There's the soy sauce. Was it good or bad without the fish eggs?
Good.
Like, so those would be good?
I'm gonna try one of those.
I'll try it.
Put soy sauce. I want some soy
I
sauce.
wouldn't eat that one. That one's a foul. Like Fortnite's never about to report something.
Ew, that is something.
Okay, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below and check out my last video, which is how I cleared my skin. Sorry. If you guys want to see more videos with my friends or McKenna or anyone, then make sure to comment down below on what we could do. I was on that fell on the table when I told you.
Not the red.
Yeah, the red did.
Yeah, not this.
Oh, you took off the red. Okay, bye guys.